Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about the top 3 reasons why people fail with selling on Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA can be an extremely lucrative business that you can scale from some side income to significantly more than full-time income, but you have to keep in mind that these results are not this way for everyone. A lot of people sign up to sell on Amazon but have no idea where to start, and then they put it aside or watch videos hoping to find a way to get rich quickly by selling on Amazon, when the reality is it will take time for your business to grow and to build positive feedback where customers will trust buying from you. If you aren't sure where to start, then my course would be a great option for you, since I lay out everything in a user-friendly and easy to read format. I show you all that you need to know to be successful in selling on Amazon FBA, and I explain some tricks that only sellers who have been selling for years would know to keep your account from getting suspended after starting selling on Amazon. New sellers get suspended all the time, and it can be difficult to get back on Amazon when you were suspended. So I show you ways to not get suspended in the first place, and the link to my course is the first link in the description below if you want to see the course for yourself. The first reason why people fail selling on Amazon FBA is that they don't know where to start, and they don't know how to properly begin, and when they do start, they start with private labeling as their business model. A lot of YouTube videos will teach you how to private label a product and put your own brand on a generic Chinese product, and then you get to sell it on Amazon FBA. But personally, I think this is a terrible way to start on Amazon, and this is why I don't teach this method in my course. The reason it is not a good way to get started is most sellers will begin with just one product. And if that product does not sell, then they get discouraged, think negatively about the potential of selling on Amazon. Also, you have to put a large upfront investment for a minimum order quantity of this product, and if it doesn't sell, then you are stuck with this generic Chinese product and your upfront investment is gone. If you learn by this method that I teach, which is online arbitrage, you can diversify and purchase several different products in low order quantities, some as low as just 1 unit. And then in the event that your item does not sell, then you can still sell the item through Craigslist or other avenues. But with my course, you won't be stuck with the inventory, since I teach you how to find products that will actually sell. The nice thing with online arbitrage is that you don't have to touch the inventory and you can still make a lot of money doing it, similar to private labeling. The second reason why people fail with selling on Amazon FBA is that they don't monitor their performance metrics. Monitoring your performance metrics when you are selling on Amazon is super important, and they should be checked daily. If your performance metrics fall below Amazon's strict standards, then you run the risk of getting suspended from Amazon and likely never getting reinstated if you are just starting out. You should be checking your order defect rate, which consists of negative feedback, A to Z claims, and chargeback claims against your account. You should also be checking your product policy compliance, which ensures that there are no claims about you selling counterfeit goods or goods that are not supposed to be resold on Amazon. And lastly, you should be checking on your shipping performance, which includes late shipment rate, pre-fulfillment cancellation rate, which is either when you ship an item late to a customer or when you cancel an order on your own and not the buyer wanting to cancel it. And finally, the third reason why people fail with selling on Amazon FBA is they don't have an upfront investment or they don't scale their business. The third reason includes 2 parts. The first is that people don't have at least $500 to invest in products to sell on Amazon, and they expect to make money. If you don't have at least $500 to invest in your Amazon business, then I really suggest you wait until you do, because it will be really tough to compete and make any money at all with less than $500 in inventory. The second part of this is that people don't scale their business. For example, if someone has $1,000 in inventory and they earn $500 profit in their first month, rather than reinvesting all $1,500 of it into more inventory, or at least half of the profit plus the principal, which would be $1,250, they will either just reinvest the profit or just reinvest the principal. If you constantly just reinvest your principal, then you will never scale your business, as you'll always just have $1,000 in inventory. This is why it is absolutely essential to reinvest at least 50% of your profits when you're starting out in order to scale and grow your business. I hope that these tips will help you avoid failure when selling on Amazon FBA and that this video helped you. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Amazon FBA related content. Thanks for watching.